Hello everyone, welcome to Isaac Tech. It's a pleasure to see you again. In this new video, we will see how to fix the issues of the Instagram webpage being unavailable. Watch the video until the end and don't skip any steps. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve these issues. Press and hold on the app, then you will see here. Click here, then scroll down. Click on storage space and cache. Click. Then come here to clear the cache. Then come here to clear the storage space, then confirm. Click to clean. Once it's done now, access the Google Play Store. Here, you need to search for Instagram and make sure the app is on its latest version. You mentioned that you checked the update for Instagram. If you find the update, update the app. Once the app is updated, now you can restart your phone and go to Instagram. The problem will be resolved. If you found the video helpful, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. We'll meet again for a new video.